everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. As you can see, this is a completely different video, not the usual chatty video. So I want to bring you guys along on my healthy hair journey and share you guys an updated natural curl routine. If you did watch my first video where I curl my hair with you guys, you would remember or see and notice how my hair is so different. I'm talking about it's like day and night. So believe me, if you follow these steps, you would get amazing curls. If you've colored your hair or your hair is colored or mistreated, this one product is going to change your life. And if not, you let me know. You'll be the first person to tell me otherwise. So if you're ready to achieve this beautiful natural look, then just keep on watching. If I'm looking off the camera, it's because I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Wetting my hair before applying a treatment. And this is the treatment that changed my hair and really just brought my hair back to life. When I was younger, I had so much hair. I'm gonna see if I find a picture to show you guys. I'm talking about a lot of hair and I hated it. When you don't know any better, I hated having natural curls, a lot of hair. It was so long and crazy. It was mostly because it was so much work. So much work to like get my hair done or wash my hair. The simplest thing was just so much work. I hated my curls so much. I got a Japanese treatment and I regretted it so much afterwards, but it's okay. You know, that's what I wanted to do at the moment, and I am so glad my curls are back. Now that my hair is nicely drenched, here is the product that changed my life. I love it. I am always going to talk about this product. Here it is. Is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, repairs and strengthens all hair types. I love it. Yes, it's a small bottle. Like, this is so small. It costs $28. I get it at Sephora. Super small, but they know what they were doing when they made this. They knew exactly what they were doing. So I'm just gonna read what it says in the back, the directions. It says use 1 time per week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp, towel dry hair. Apply generous amount from scalp to end until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair, shampoo, and condition as usual, which is why it's my first step. So I'm gonna go ahead and slather this bad boy in there. Smells so good. I love it. Don't worry, I'm gonna comb right through it. I'm gonna work my way up. Just to make sure that it's all in there. I can get 3 use, sometimes 4 out of this small bottle. Sometimes I could get 4 uses out of it. So here we go. To make sure it's everywhere and I don't miss that one spot. All right. before I put it in a bun. Put it in a bun. I'm gonna use this cap my little brother got me. How cute is this? Supreme cap. I'm gonna leave this treatment for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'm gonna shower and to put a little makeup on, because after this video, after I finish shooting this video, I'm gonna head to my mom's house. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, we're back now, guys. So here, you can see my hair drying up already. I rinsed out the Olaplex. I shampooed it and conditioned my hair. So I'm going to just wet a little more so I can actually curl my hair now. Being that my hair is colored, it's very important for me to hydrate my hair. So to hydrate my hair, I am using this ᴄᴏᴍᴇ cream. I'm not sure why it doesn't. There we go. It's a hydrating styling cream. I go in with a lot of this because I love the smell and can't go wrong with that. When you apply anything, including shampoo, conditioner, anything in your hair, you want to start with from your mid-length to your ends and just work your way up. Alright. Okay, here we go. Now that our hair is hydrated, we're going to use oil, hair oil. This hair oil, it's also Moroccan oil. I actually just got this as a sample when I purchased the shampoo and conditioner a while ago from their website. But I got a small one now in the Sephora VIP sale. I love this oil. This oil smells just like the hydrating styling cream, but it feels so thick and so good in your hands and in your hair. I absolutely love it. Okay, now that we're ready to style our hair, let's get right into it. To style my hair, I am using my trusty D.E.Y.A curl product, and this is the Super Stretch Coconut Curl. I go through these so fast. It smells so good too. So here we go. So I'm gonna take some of this cream, and again, start from the bottom with not too much product. Little product goes a long way. For you to get voluminous curls, we don't want to put too much product on the root of our hair. Not too much up there if you want volume curls. Do the same here. Distribute it everywhere. I don't like it when it gets too puffy on the roots, so I definitely do make sure I get some product there, but not too much. Once you feel like the product is evenly distributed everywhere, I like to do this, and I can see its texture. Then you can go into doing this motion to activate your curls. love your curls and take good care of it. I learned that now. A little late, but it's better late than never. Some technique work better than others. That's definitely for sure, but try it. You never know. I also like to bring all my curls forward and do some more of this while my hair is hanging down like this. Alright, so I think I'm done and I'm ready to let them air dry. So I'm just gonna finish getting ready because I'm heading to my mom's house and clean up my little mess right here really quick. But before I leave, I would definitely come back on here and show you guys my end results. Alright, so this is the end results. I love it. Looks so beautiful, healthy and shiny, and it's not crunchy at all. Like, see? You don't hear it. You're not supposed to really touch your hair too much, but I like to. I'm loving it. If you saw my first video of me curling my hair, you'll see how much different my hair looks. Like, do you see that? I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you and your time. Leave me any comments below. Share some of the products that you use. If you have any secret technique that you use in your hair, I would love to try new techniques on how to curl my hair. Leave me any likes if you did like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notified the second I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.